Are you wondering how you can connect your Irobot Roomba vacuum to the Wi-Fi network? Well, worry not. Simply need to follow the steps below and you will be able to use your Irobot Roomba vacuum. First of all, you need to install the Irobot Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Consequently, launch the Irobot Home app on your smartphone and log into your account. Ensure the vacuum has sufficient charge to connect it to the Wi-Fi successfully. In the Irobot Home app, add the vacuum by selecting the correct model. Then the app will search for all the available networks around. Enter your Wi-Fi password to connect your vacuum to the Wi-Fi. Next, allow your Roomba vacuum some time to establish a connection with the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, configure other settings of the vacuum accordingly. Finally, you can stop and schedule cleaning sessions from the smartphone. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Irobot Roomba vacuum to the Wi-Fi network. But if you still face any issues with your Roomba vacuum, you can chat with our experts anytime. They will assist you to fix the issue effectively. Thank you for watching.